Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to our daily LeetCode challenge series. So today is 83 and today we are going to solve LeetCode problem 383 ransom note. So this is an easy little problem, so let's see the problem statement first. So we have given two strings, ransom note and magazine. Return true if ransom note can be constructed by using the letters from magazine and false otherwise. Okay, each letter in a magazine can only be used once in ransom note. Okay, fine. So we have given two strings, ransom note and magazine. Basically, we have to check whether using the magazine keywords, whether we can create this ransom note or not. So here we can see like magazine having B only character, but ransom note requires A. So it is not possible to create. So that's why returning false. Similar way in example 2, we have can see we need to create double A, but in magazine we have only one A and one B, so it can't be created because we can use only the character only once, so we can't use twice. Okay, so that's why we're writing false here. Now in example 3 we can see we have to create double A and magazine is having double A B, so yeah, using this we can create this answer node. That's why we're writing true. Fine. So like in the given constraint we are given like length of magazine and answer note can vary from 1 to 10 to the power 5, and answer note and magazine consist of lowercase English letters. Understood. So yeah, what we can do, like we will have to check the frequency first in the magazine, and based on that we'll check if that ransom note can be created or not, right? So either we can use HashMap here for the frequency part, or even as in constraint it is given like it will consist of only lowercase letter. So even we can use a fixed size of array in order to store the frequency. So for now, like I'll go through the array part, okay, because we know the size of the array, right? So let's say int frequency equals to new int, and it will be of size 26 because we have the lowercase character of 26 characters in English, right? That's why I'm taking this 26 size, which will be fixed. Now what we'll do, we'll iterate over the magazine first. So from magazine what we'll take character C, and first magazine, right? So 2 will convert it to char array, so we'll get the array of the given string, right? Now what we'll do, as we have the frequency, right, array, so we'll convert our given array into the ASCII value, and that we're going to store, right? And that we know like a small case letter will start from 97, if I'm not wrong, yeah, it will be 97. So what we'll do here is um, we'll check we'll do minus of character, and instead of minusing we'll just minus with A. So whatever character it is having, it will minus the 97th value, and it will consider it 0 1 2 like that, right? So yeah, now what we'll do, we'll increment that characters in our frequency array. Similar way it will do for all the characters in the given magazine. Now what we'll do, run the second for loop, and second for loop will be for the remote Ramson. Okay, let's say remote Ramson. And similar way, in this way what we'll do, instead of doing plus here, we'll check simple logic. If let's say character of sorry, not character, frequency of C minus A, let's do pre-decrement part, and we'll see if it is not lesser than 0. That means that array frequency is having some like positive values, right? So if it is not 0, if it is less than 0, then what we'll do, we'll just return from here itself instead of checking other characters of the ransom note, right? But if it is not so, like it will go till last, and at last will return true. Fine. Yeah. Okay, now let's submit and see the test cases. So yeah, we can see like all three test cases got accepted. Now let's submit and see other test cases as well. Okay, so it accepted all 130 test cases passed and bits 99.90%. That's quite good. I think it is an optimal solution. Even we can use HashMap noise in that. But if we know about the size, fixed size of the array, then we can take the like frequency array itself, right? And if we talk about the time complexity here, so ransom note and magazine size can be differ. So and we are iterating over both the given strings, we can say. So time complexity will be of big of size of ransom note and magazine plus magazine note. So let's say x and y. So size like time complexity will be big of x plus y, right? And space complexity will be big of 1 because we are using constant space, right? No other space we are using here. But in case of HashMap, space complexity will be increases, right? So in this case, we are using array, so it is big of 1, which is constant space, and time complexity is big of size of ransom node plus max, right? So that's all for today. Let's see you next video.